going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. Today we're going to be talking about some very cool coding that I discovered that can turn your screen from this to this. Let's get to it. Alright, so right now my iDrive, it's like partial screen, so I'm not a fan of that. I want the full width, if you will. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So that's how it looks like right now, and I'm not a fan of it. I want the full width of it to really get the best out of this iDrive. Plug in your OBD adapter. I got a few links for your OBD adapters in my description. One from Kies and one from ODB Link. Both are phenomenal, and let's get to it. Everything loaded. We're on the control unit section. You're going to click on head unit. All right, so we have the head unit already loaded, and what we're going to do is go to expert mode, hit continue. We're going to go to 3000 HMI. You're going to search for CarPlay and click CarPlay full screen and just hit active. Once you've done that, cancel everything out and then go back and then hit code. Mine's disabled because I already done it, but once you code it, your screen will turn off, the computer will reset, and you're golden. Alright guys, well that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around for these videos. Look, I got a bunch of content in my channel. If you drive an F30, F32, F36, any F chassis car, really, I mean, my content suits your needs fully with DIYs and reviews and product installs and all that stuff. So guys, look, my channel is here for you. I love giving you value. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and what I'm doing here. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and please sub to the channel. I don't spam you. I upload maybe like once every 2 weeks. So guys, I'm here to give you value, and keep an eye out for my end cards. I have 2 videos that could probably suit what you're looking for. So anyways guys, thank you so much, and I'll catch you next week.